You Gucci, you Gucci. Oh, I need to tell you the coolest thing I read.
Oh yeah.
Just when you're done.
Sure.
Take your time.
Examine that.
Gooch. So, you know nanotechnology?
Yeah.
I was reading this article, and they said after they do more research and they like become a lot more familiar with it, they're gonna be able to design nanobots that are so small and so efficient that what they do is like a trillion would fit within a cubic millimeter, and what it could do is it would take atoms and rearrange them. So it would rearrange this iPhone's atom and create like an ice cream sundae.
What?
How insane is that?
Oh my god. What did they say? Was that like one of the listed examples of something they could do?
Yeah, like it's called. I was watching this documentary with that Asian guy on the Discovery Channel, Miki Kacho or something.
Yeah.
I love him. He's talking about how like what different things they'll be able to do with like nanotechnology, and that was one of them. And he said that. What was your question?
Like what other examples?
Yeah.
Could that technology?
Nanotechnology. Yeah, they said like eventually what they could do is like they could put them in your body, and then they would go through turning muscle into fat and like create superhumans. Because I mean, it would change any matter into a completely different matter. And he said it was on what's it called? Star Trek as like a fictitious like sci-fi thing, but it's actually a real thing. It's insane.
Another thing I've seen them talk about is there's this project going on called like Brain 2 or something like that, and they're like legitimately working on beaming our consciousness out.
I saw that. No, that's how I started this whole series. That's how I started the YouTube chain. I remembered that one thing you were telling me about how you could be immortal, and I sifted through our group chat until I found the link, and then from that link I just watched all of his other videos. They're so good.
The thing is, like, these are a lot of like popular bullcrap that may or may not be true.
Like things that people want to hear.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know what you're saying.
How legit he is as like one of the leading minds in physics today.
That Asian guy?
Question.
Say that again?
Like, his stance as one of the leading physicists, he's not necessarily the smartest guy around.
He's not.
He just like writes books about what could be.
Really? He's a theoretical physicist?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That seems cool. Huh. And then you heard of the string theory?
Yeah, I've read like articles.
Yeah, I watched a video like by him about it. It's so cool.
I'm drifting away.
There's a current. Ooh. Really?
Like, although we have a higher probability of feeling conscious, I guess because more of the guys will be able to atoms. Electrons themselves are tiny particles. Every now and then, you feel weird that they are.
I was watching a video and he touched on that a little bit about like consciousness and how like certain things like a flower, it's got like 10 points of consciousness because it's conscious of the weather, the temperature, it's conscious of the gravity, it's conscious of the water environment and everything. Like these are the things that it's like knows about. There's this other really cool thing. It's called what is it? Quantum synchronization, I believe it was. It's insane. Basically what it says is if you take two electrons and you start, you know how everything vibrates?
Yeah.
If they vibrate in sync, and you get them to vibrate in sync, you separate them, there's like an invisible umbilical cord between them, so they'll always be vibrating in the sync. So if they were in the opposite sides of the galaxy, they would still be, and if you moved one, the other one would move.
What?
The only thing faster than the speed of light. Like, it's instantaneous. Like, it's insane how, it's so crazy. Which is why he says, like, if you could somehow make minds quantumly in sync, that's how you can become telepathic. Because they're identical, so there's like